Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm taking this session. Uh, is it clear? I'm audible to you guys. Hey guys, let me share my screen. Is my screen is visible? Just give me an update. This screen is visible, guys. Yes. Let's start the session. Yeah. Now, today we are going to discuss about the large language models and responsible AI. These are two concepts which we need to learn from today's session. Okay, large language models. Large language model itself giving the definition, guys. Large itself is taking the large kind of data sets which will consisting of millions and millions of data. By using that data, we are applying some algorithms to it, and we are getting the future predictions. This is what the large language models uh, means. So coming to here, AI models are trying, like as I said before, vast amounts of text data will be given to you. In these models, LLMs are used for only the text data. It does not generate the any kind of videos or videos and audios kind of data. It used to make the machine understandable, generate and process the human language which we are giving to the machine. For example, these large language models are nowadays used in ChatGPT, Gemini, Plum, BRT, and GPT. We have many sources, right? These are built by the large language model. Now it is leading the world, guys, because the OpenAI, we all know, right, how much it gaining the financial stability. At the same time, everyone is using it, right? So yeah, this leads the world actually. So the world is developing the next advanced models also based upon these. This is the basic one, and it is used by characterizing the massive number of parameters. It will be trained by the machine, which is the model is used to give the generated text, or else it can be understand the human language. Here I can easily tell you that here the best example is ChatGPT. We are giving in a human language, human readable language, right? It is used to read that prompt. At the same time, it will understand the prompt and it will give you some generated answers, right? This is what the large language models do. And I have to give you the more information about LLMs. And yeah, uh, these are made up of neural networks, and it is used to train by the unsupervised learning. We all know, right? Unsupervised learning, supervised learning, reinforcement learning in machine learning. And here are the few examples I said. No, it uses the architecture of transformers. It is made very important. LLMs are made up of neural networks, and it is used to train by the unsupervised learning, and uh, it uses the architecture of transformers. Okay. In these LLMs, we have two phases: training phase and inference phase. In training phase, we have data collection, pre-processing, model architecture, and training. In inference phase, we have same four steps: input processing, generating output, sampling, post-processing. These are the steps involved in it. So the name itself, we all know, right? Data collection, what is data collection, what is data pre-processing, model architecture, and all. So yeah, here coming to GPT, generative pre-trained transformer, which is called as OpenAI, and BRIT is nothing but bidirectional encoder representation of transformers by Google. And encoder decoder, we all know, right? Encoder which transforms the human language into the machine language, and at the same time decoder which converts the machine language into the human readable language. Okay, this is Plum Pathways language model and by Google, and it relies on attention mechanism. Attention mechanism is nothing but it actually focuses on the context of the statement. If we given any thing, like for example, if you take a statement like cat is sitting on a bench, so here the the main focus is on the cat, right? If we remove the cat, there is no, the statement has no meaning, right? So that if we said cat is sitting on the bench, the cat is the main one, right? The cat is sitting on the bench. The cat is going to sit on the bench, right? So the cat is a main character. So in this attention mechanism, when we given the human readable prompt to the LLM, so it will read like this. So it is based upon the focus on the main content, which will give you the actual meaning of the statement. Okay, this captures the long range dependencies in the text. And here we have many key concepts like embedding, transformers, and more. How LLM works. So here we have three phases actually. Like it is a like manual part. So tokenization. How many of you know about tokens? This is the smallest part of the program which we considered, Kala. Guys, yeah. Now my voice is audible. Guys, just give me an update. Am I audible to you? Yes, dear. Yes, yes. What is meant by token? Just give me an answer. Yes, yes. Smallest individual part of the program. So first thing, when we give an prompt to an LLM, so it will break into the tokens. Tokens, which is in nothing but smaller units like words, subwords, characters like this, and LLM apply the LLM numerical presentation will be applied on these tokens. After that, it will give training to the large text corpora. It means it is nothing but it will diverse. So it will refers to the books, articles, websites where these tokens are available. As we for this, I can give you one best example. Dictionary is one of the best example. When we don't know about the exact definition of the word, we will refer to the dictionary, or nowadays we use Google, right? So in Google also, in search engine, when we type a word, it will refer to that word where the word like any documentation, any links consisting of that word, it will display to you, right? So this is what happens behind the search engine, right? So here also same thing happens. And like I said before, unsupervised learning to learn patterns, grammar, and information. This probability prediction of next word. Like it will find like contextually relevant text. What is the next one? We identify, right? The cat. What can cat do? The cat can eat, cat can run, cat can go away, like cat can sit, cat can bite. Like these are the things which we think, right? So what the actual context is. Based upon the context of the word, we are identifying we are predicting the next word. This is what it happens. And coming to second one, capabilities. Capabilities is nothing but the advantages of LLM. Advantages is text generation. Like for example, ChatGPT is one of the best example for this. And summarization. It will give you the summary of the things. Like nowadays we are giving the PDF to the ChatGPT and it will giving you the summary of that particular document, right? It will give you like what it does consisting of and all. We are finding it, right? We are finding the meanings of it, right? So translation, the languages, like we can translate from one language to another language. Like it can generate English to Telugu, Telugu to English. At the same time, French to English, English to French. Like translation can be done. Code generation and conversational AI, which means chatbots. For example, chatbots are the one of the example for this. And coming to limitations. Limitations is nothing but we can say this disadvantages as like hallucination. Hallucination is making something like incorrect information. They are not known facts exactly. So as it generated, but we don't know, right? It may be correct answer, it not be a correct answer, right? We can't predict it. We can't predict whether the given, whether the generated answer is right or wrong. We can't define it. So this is what we can't believe these kind of datas. This is what one of the biggest disadvantages in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and LLMs also. So second one is lack of common sense reason. Because like we all know, right? Like uh, okay, coming to the next one, sensitivity to input phrasing. Small changes in prompts can lead to the significantly different outputs. Like if I give you something, so like wait, I'll tell you. So generate a PPT for me. So it will ask, it will give statement to us like, please give me a topic. If I said generate a poem for me, like here the statement is same. We just change the PPT to poem. That's it. So it can change the complete meaning of the sentence. So that's what we want to express. So like it will not based upon the previous text and all. So it will go upon the current prompt. So use cases in real world. We can use LLMs in chatbots, education, content creation, health and law. Yeah, we can use it. Risk, like by using like we can easily say that it is a disadvantage of LLMs. We can say that bias and discrimination, toxic content generation. Bias and discrimination is nothing but unfair decisions. Simply say that unfair decisions, toxic content generation, generating the hate speech and all, like misinformation, as I said before, is hallucination. Privacy concerns, we take the data from the other world, right? So the privacy concerns, security concerns will be there. And coming to second topic, which is an responsible AI. Responsible AI is nothing but the AI having AI works with certain rules and regulations, then it will be a responsible AI. Responsible AI is very important because as we seen in the Robo movie, how many of you seen the Robo movie? Can I know? How many of you? Yes, in Robo movie we have seen it, right? Initially, initially when uh, initially when he created the robo, he is emotionless, he's ethicless, right? He can directly kill a man, so without any thinking, right? So after this situation they rejected, right? Because of this situation they rejected the robo. After that he kept on him learning the all the ethics, the social values and all will be givening, right? uh yeah, the same thing is happening here. Responsible AI means it is same thing what it will be happening. Here are importance. Coming to importance, AI becoming so massive, right? So nowadays AI is replacing every field. So this is what the one of the importance. So while replacing the anything, sorry, some fields AI is replacing it, right? So in for AI is replacing, right? Without any responsibility or without any things, we can't replace it, right? Because it can do anything. It may give you any risks. It may create problems. It may create like financial crisis and all. Like we can say we can't identify, right, whether the AI is creating problem or not. We can't say it. We can't predict it, right? So that the responsible AI is very important. And we have like ensuring the ethical use, prompting the innovation, promoting the innovation. We have multiple uses there. And here we can talk about multiple key principles which responsible AI follows is fairness. Fairness means which is nothing but like correctness, which is nothing but accurate. Fair means fair decision. We all talking about the fair decision and all in the games, right? Like you have to make the correct decision whether the wicket is out or not. Coming to cricket, I'm saying whether the wicket is right or wrong. The umpire should be fair, or else it will be one-sided game, right? So this is what transparency. Transparency is one of the best, like very key principle of responsible AI is nothing but that AI must be able to understand and explainable. Like he, like the particular AI which we are using, he or she able to understand us at the same time. They should be generating and explainable the all the things, right? This is what it happens. Accountability, privacy and security, reliability and safety. These are the main key things for responsible AI. And like coming to social good, here like anyone can say this one is you can say it. Like what are the social goods of like yes, Lohita, we have limitations too. But like everything has a good and bad, right? Here also same thing happening. So like good is there at the same time bad is also there. Yes. Can anyone give the like AI for social goods? Like examples or applications? Can you give me applications? Yes, microsurgery, marketing. Yes, to reduce carbon. Yes, yes, yes. Amisha saying it is very true. Yes, healthcare. Don't see in the PPT. Just give me the real-time applications. Yes, farming. Next, any of you give me another examples? Banking, okay, learning, autopilot, finance, defense, yes, 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 dear. Yes, agriculture, weather analysis, yes, yes. My medical diagnosis, supply chain management, yes, social media, video, yes, education sector, good, good. Automobile, yes, 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 yes. We have many applications here. It can replace everything. Coming to next slide, like here are the core principles as I already like I already explaining this thing. Yeah, uh fairness, I already explained this thing, right? Fairness means we need to like behave like unbiased, like we should not be supporting only one thing, we should be following the right thing which has to be done. So this is what the fairness is. Accountability is nothing but mechanisms for responsibility among the developers, deployers, and users. Like here, accountability is nothing but responsibility. Like we all know, right? Accountability, what it does. It means transparency. Also, we all know it should be very clear and it should be explainable and understandable, right? Yeah, explainability. Like I spoke about this thing before. And coming to next one, safety and security. AI system is must be robust, reliable, and secure, protecting against the unintended harm and misuse and attacks. Like I said before, right? Like example of robo, it should not be harm, misuse. It should not be like it should not give uh route to the or guidance to the attacks and all. So it should be very friendly with the humans and friendly with the environment. It should not be create any issues, right? Because of that. So this is what it core principles. Have any doubts? Just drop it. No. Is there any doubts here? Is there any doubts? Vinay, exactly what you're saying is true. Yes, yes, yes. If you have any doubts till now, just give me an answer. Is there any doubts? Like, so many members are rising. Ritika, Varu, raising your hand. Teja, Tiru, Sai Siri Krishna, Charumati. Why you're raising your hands? Just may I know the reason? Yes. Yes, yes. Can I continue? Just give me an thumbs up. Can I continue? Give me a thumbs up, guys. Yes. Yes. Coming to next one, fairness and bias. Like where we get this. Okay. Sources of bias, like bias, we all know, right? Bias. What is meant by bias? Can anyone tell me? Guys, what is meant by bias? Just give me an answer. Actually, the original definition of the bias, like we all know what is meant by bias in general language. Like in technical terms, we can say this like disproportionate weights. Like, yeah, guys, disproportionate weight. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. So, for example, if the model is predicting only the positive values or positive inputs, does not giving the answers for negative values. This is called bias. Like we can say that. Next, privacy in privacy of privacy in LLMs. Like risk of leaking the sensitive data. Like as we all know, right, we are taking the data from the social media, Google and all, right. We can't give the privacy of them, so we can't, like if not we cannot we cannot make privacy out of it because we are taking the data, right. The data is completely personal to individual, so this is what it happens. So like we have give some information regarding it. And next, transparency and explainability. I already give you the answer. And black box models. Coming to black box models, many LLMs are black box models due to complex internal work. As I said, no, it will take the huge amount of data. It will take the millions and millions of the data, so that it will, while processing it, it is very complex, right? Like why we need explainability, because if we can't, like if we didn't explain the concept, then how can we understand this particular thing happening here, happening like this way? We should elaborate it, right? Or else we can't able to understand that particular thing. So this is what we need for explainable thing. And coming to interpretable model and outputs. Here, attention mechanism. As I said, no focus on the context of the statement. This is what attention mechanisms is. Feature importance. Like while implementing the large model, we should be taking the relevant features regarding. your with regarding your problem statement. The features which we are taking to the training, those features must be relevant to the problem statement, or else it will give you good. It will not give you the good accuracy or performance, right? So this is what we need to do. So feature importance and rule extraction. If we didn't extract the data from the large data sets, we will get less accuracy, less performance. This is what it happens. So that's why these are the main three important concepts which we talking about. And at the same time, I want to give you the small architecture. I'll explain the small architecture for you. Guys, we will talk about the architecture in next one. So coming to next one, governance and regularization. Governance and regularization. Like is one of the example for AI, like responsible AI. Uh, Okay, yes, I'll talk about this thing. Building the responsible LLMs and LLM applications. So here are the like these are the like responsible like what are the things we have to be done in LLMs. So human in loop, like incorporating the human oversight and intervention at the stages of content review, critical decision making. Okay, safety fillers should be there, like implementing the filters, toxicity detectors, and prompt validation prevents the generation, dissemination of harmful content. And responsible fine tuning should be there because scrutinizing the fine tuning data should be there and avoiding the amplifying bias, like as we discussed the bias before, and audits and red teaming, like regular auditing LLM systems for bias, performance, and security. This is a like same thing happens. So uh, this is what I want to explain today. Is it clear, guys? Yes. The common languages are PyTorch. Python will be used in AI. Like black box model is nothing but working on like a system where internal works, including how it arrives at inputs. Like it is nothing but black box language model is nothing but user can give you like text prompts and observe the outputs. Like same like what ChatGPT does, and but the complex computations and decision making process within the model inside. So this is what it happens. Like in large language models, we are doing it right. Like as we given the vast amount of data for the model and it will we train them and we will test them, right? This is what it happens. Like for example, when we take an example of ChatGPT, we will giving the prompt and it will make some complex computations and decision making processes inside it. So this is what it happens, right? So this is what the black box model. Like we can't see the internal part. This is what the black box model refers. Why not? Python language is capable of extensible library. Like we can use the Creas, TensorFlow, this kind of libraries to implement these models. Like we can use multiple models actually. If you have any doubts, just drop a message here. Is it clear, guys? Yes. If you want me to explain anything, like AI model can create by, like, first thing we have to define the problem and gather and preparing the data. Choosing an algorithm, like as we can see in the machine learning, same thing is happens here. So training the model and evaluating its performance, and finally deploying it for use. This is what we can build. Okay, I'll explain how LLM works. From the text, the prompt which we have given to certain LLM model, it will divide those tokens. Like it will divide into the tokens, like words, subwords, characters. It will divide. So it will apply some mathematical. Yeah, guys, tell me. Am I audible? Yes. Please take a break until 3:10. After that, we will discuss about the lab. Okay. Guys, guys, come at 3:10. Okay. The session will be started again 3:10. Okay, 3:10 కల్లా మీరు ఉండాలి. Okay. Guys, I'm sharing the form. Those who are joining from the YouTube, just fill this form for the attendance. Okay. Guys, who are from YouTube channel, please fill this form for the attendance. Remaining ones will get attendance from the Zoho meeting. Okay. Guys, clear? Fill this form who are joining from the YouTube channel. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I want to explain the lab for you. Like everyone has the Skill Boost account, right? Guys, please give me an update. Everyone, right? Everyone has it, right? So wait a minute, guys. I'll share my screen. Yeah, guys. Can you see my screen? Guys, can you see my screen? Yes. Uh, yeah, guys. This is a course which in like like we have like wait. I'll show you the path actually. Like this is the lab you have to complete. There are 4 labs here. So this is the course you need to learn and beginner introduction to generative AI learning path. So please open your Google Skill Boost accounts and please search for these course and start learning. Okay. Guys, did you all open the Skill Boost accounts? Yes, it is compulsory. Yes, dear. Please open your like type Skill Boost in the Google and log into your account with your Google accounts. Yeah. Did you all open the? Please open the Skill Boost accounts and search for the course beginner introduction to generative AI path. Did you all see this? Guys, can you all see this thing? Guys, can you open this portal? Please, start course button is there. So just click on it. Is done? Is everyone is enrolled? Enroll it. Yes, guys. Next thing we have to do. Go to the course. You should be like looking like this. So just go to the course view overview. Here you will get some things. So here like here some like this course is about to 3 hour 45 minutes. This is based upon the introduction. It just give you the basic introduction. It will uses the tools like Vertex AI. Vertex AI is nothing but artificial intelligence which is developed by the Google. This is completely developed by the Google. This is a new technology, guys. This is very important to learn, so please learn this skill. Okay. Gemini API, we all know, right? Gemini API, machine learning, and also yeah, these are the course. Here we are learning about the prompt design in Vertex AI, like how to we give the prompts in Vertex AI. Vertex AI is nothing but a ChatGPT similar application which is developed by the Google. Okay, it is completely course based upon the prompt engineering, prompt design in Vertex AI. After completing this course, you will get the prompt design in Vertex AI skill badge. Okay, and here we have like here you learn like how to craft the effective prompts, guide how to generate AI out, how it will be generating, and all like how to apply Gemini in real world marketing scenarios. Like it will give you the certificate. Like we can see this here, no? We all see. Could you see this? Just give me thumbs up if you are seeing. Yes, yes. This is prompt engineering thing. Yes. Please, everyone, give me a great thumbs up so that I'll know. All at once. All at once. 3, 2, 1. Just give me a thumbs up. Yes. Guys, don't give me a thumbs up in chat. Just give me a reaction. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Next, coming to the session. Yeah. Here, you'll get the start course thing if you not started the course. Okay, this is a prompt engineering one. We have absolutely like four labs. Like, okay, this is a 4 labs which you have to done. In the first lab, you don't have to do this because it is not required here. So just like here we have some required like mentioned here, right? So just see this, and this is a course we are doing. In first lab, we have a series of design to provide the hands-on experience with the generative AI on board. In this like particular, when you open the lab, example, I'm showing one lab. So yeah. So here, that's like you need to start the lab. In first lab, we have an issue. There is no file, like one file is missing here. So don't worry about it. I'll just explain this. If you get, just open this, click on start lab, try to complete the lab. If not, just stop it there. Okay. I'm not getting the file actually, so that I stop the lab here. So just I'll give you the like random explanation for this, like prompt engineering and best practices for designing effective prompts to improve the quality of your LLM generated responses. And here you'll learn how to craft the prompts that are very concise, specific, well defined. We all know, right, what is meant by concise? It should be very short. Like it should be understandable within words, within less sentence. So this is what the concise means. Specific, like what do you want actually? Like if I need an image of animal, so just I'll type the like generate a image for me. It should be there one animal compulsory. This is what you have specified, that I need an animal. So this is what specified, well defined. It should be well structured. It should be knowing like what are the things you have to do in your image and what are the things you have to place in their image. So this is what you need to do. So the task at one time, at a time. So this lab also covered the advanced techniques like uh, generative tasks into classification tasks using examples. Like it can enhance the response quality and all. And coming to here, it will give you small description about the Gemini. Gemini is, we all know, right? It is a powerful generative AI model which is developed by the Google. And here, like it is a capable of understanding the various forms of content, like including text, videos, images, documents, videos, and all. Like Vertex AI is similar, which is nothing but like we have to include the Gemini API into Vertex AI. Okay, Vertex AI is a AI which is used to generate the things which we want actually. So the it is Vertex AI is built upon the large language models. Okay, this is what it happening. And coming to Gemini models, like we have some models like Pro, Flash, like what are the prerequisites to do this work, to do this lab, we have to learn some basic concepts like Python programming, API concepts, like Jupyter notebook knowledge or Google Colab notebook knowledge, or on Vertex AI Workbench. Like in Vertex AI Workbench, you need to gain the experience about the Jupyter notebook. These are the objectives you have to learn. So prompt engineering using Google Gemini SDK. SDK is nothing but software development kit. Okay. Like it will give the good experience in prompt designing, including conciseness, specificity, and the task definition, and explore various text generation using cases with Google Gen AI SDK. SDK, we all know, right? Software development kits. In these kits, we have the complete modules regarding your software development. This is what it happens, such as like it will giving, right, the some of the constraints like ideation, question answering, text classification, text extraction, text summarize. We all know, right? Ideation is nothing but giving an idea, like question and answer. Like it should be an interview module like that. So text classification, based on the text, we need to classify the things. Extraction, we are extracting the text from the video, text from the audio, or documentation, text from the documentation. We have to do these things. Like summarization, based upon the huge amount of data, we are taking the summary of it, because the LLM needs to understand the complete whatever the paragraph which is given by the user. It should be understandable by the LLM. After that, it should be generated to the user, like it is very concise and very explainable, very transparent, and very fairness. This is what it has to reflect. Okay. And the setup and the requirements. So just click Start Lab. Like in this lab, you have very clear instructions here. So don't worry about it. Here, just read the instructions and go with the lab. Okay, here first you need to start lab. Okay, here you have to start your lab. And here we have like use incognito, because it will resolve your network issues actually. So please use incognito website. Okay, incognito browser. Okay, after starting the lab, like it will give you some temporary like console. So just open that console. So opening LinkedIn incognito window, and after that choose an account. After that, like just follow the steps. Are you seeing the steps, guys? Wait, Bobby, just type beginner, introduction to generative AI learning path. Please, there is a search bar, no? Please click on it. There, beginner, introduction to generative AI learning path. Okay, generative AI learning path. And after this, yes, exactly. The link has provided here by Vasudev Bhava. Yes, sign in here and like, okay guys, there is a clear instructions there, so just follow these things, so you will be having the complete knowledge about the Vertex AI. So here are the steps. So actually the first lab is not working, guys. Please check if it is working for you, just complete it, or else just leave it. Okay. So it will give you some things. So like just there is steps. Are you seeing the steps here? Guys, the screen is not visible. Screen is visible, right? Okay, guys. Just check your internet, guys. If not, it is visible. Yes. Yes, guys. After that, here we have some like clear screenshots also will be given. Okay, like task one. There are 5 tasks in every lab. Okay, in each and every lab there are 5 particular tasks which you have to do. In this task, you should be opening the notebook for in Vertex AI workbench. So there is like start opening the like you are when you open the lab, when you following the step-by-step procedure, you'll get the idea of it. Okay, here are the some steps. Okay, if not also they will give you like here there is a note there. So can you see all can you all see the note? Can you all see the note? Yes, dear, it is not there. The file is not there. That's why this lab is not working. Complete the remaining 3 labs if possible. Okay. There is no problem if it is not showing you the credits. Yes, the countdown will be started. It should be completed before the time, but the countdown will be completed. Yeah. Set up the notebook. So after doing every task, just click here, check my progress. So it will check and it will give you the tick mark. After you getting the tick mark only, your task is completed or else not. Okay. Same. Next one is prompt engineering best practices. Here I said no, it will be, so the prompt should be concise, specific and well defined, right? So here also same thing happening. So you have to create the concise, specific and well defined prompts, and also it will give you some prompts also here. So check check those things and just click on my, check my progress, then you'll get a tick mark. Okay, after the tick mark only the task will be completed. Okay, so reduce output variability. Reduce output variability is nothing but like you should be like you all know system instructions. What is meant by system instructions? Can anyone tell me what is meant by system instructions? The system instructions is nothing but like you're controlling the LLM. Because for example, if we made LLM of any medical field, we construct any LLM for medical purpose. If we use any LLM for medical purpose, if it is giving the answer for everything which is which is giving by the user, the prompt which is given by the user is answering by the LLM, means it is failed, right? To restrict those things, we use system instructions. In system instructions, when we specify some things in system instructions, it will restrict the LLM. So if the user goes behind the instructions which is specified by the creator of the LLM, then it will give you, we will let you know, sorry, I don't know the answer. So this kind of responses will be given by the LLM. Okay, this is what it happens. So this is what is meant by system instructions. System instructions is nothing but it is restrict the LLM. It does not go behind the instructions. So it will follow the system instructions very strictly. Okay. And coming to fifth task, improve the response quality by including examples. So this one is the first lab. Coming to second lab. Guys, is it clear? Do you want me to explain other labs too? Yes, just give me a thumbs up or else stay calm. So just give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'll explain you the lab once again just for the small clarification. So open the course, guys. Just open the course. After that, you should be clicking the lab one. So it will be reloaded to that page and just click on the start lab. Then the timer will be starts on and it will give you the instructions by side. Okay. After reading the instructions and all, so just go through the instructions and what are the requirements does this lab needs to work. So just go to it and verify each and every step. Just do the steps which are mentioned here. So then this lab will be completed. Then you'll get the score out of 100. Okay. After completing this course, you'll get the badge at the same time credits. Okay, just complete the lab, guys. So there are 3 labs. So same process for every lab. Okay, this is clear, guys. Is there anything to explain in the labs? Yes, you can use your personal mail also. Yes, yes, you can use different mail incognito. It is not a big problem. Jupyter notebook, it is nothing but like it will show you some notebooks there. So just open the notebook, just type code and run it. So it can be useful. Like simply a compiler will be there. Like there is a platform where we can build our projects. Okay. Is there any doubts? Tomorrow I will show you how to do the second lab. Okay. You have to complete it like just do the lab like with me. So in every session, I will be giving you the one lab. I'll explain you one lab. At the same time, I will do with you. Okay. Then you will get one complete idea. Okay. It is so simple, dear. It will be displaying the side by of your timer. So just read the instructions and try to complete it. If not, tomorrow I'll show you the second lab. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you and how to do this also I'll show you. Tomorrow it will be there. Okay. For first lab, there is a problem, guys. It is not showing the file. I don't know about the skill prime thing. You can't find the lab in the skill books. Just search for beginner introduction to generative AI path, then go to the lab. Okay. This is not actually. So wait, I'll provide you the link. So please check this, guys. I'm providing the link. No, dear, just Click on this thing so you'll get the path. Yeah, guys, the class is over. So just give me a rating out of 5 so that I can know, right? So how much I will be doing it. So did you understand the session today? So that's what I'm saying. There is no file intro underscore prompt underscore design file location. So don't worry about it. Just leave this lab. Okay, leave the first lab. Did you all understand the concepts which we have discussing today? So just give me a rating out of 5. Yeah, guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, yes, you will get attendance, Vasudev cover. Brahmani, what happened to you? Why you are putting 0? So, Jagadishwar, I don't know about the future skill prime. Not quiz dear, it is introduction to generative AI path. So, type clearly, guys. So, what happened to Veera Venkata Shashi Sai Mohan Ramanam? What happened to you? Are you mad? Why are you sending that much zeros? Yes, Vasudeva, you'll get attendance. Yes, yes, Naveen. I don't know about this, Vishnu. Yeah, thank you, Abhinav. In past classes, in last class, we are discussing about the prompt engineering, and first class introduction to generative AI. Then we are discussing about advanced gen models, like GAN models, generative adversarial network. Yes, refer to the YouTube, Madhu Juvi. No, no, you don't have to install Jupyter in your systems. Just access through the Chrome. Okay. I'll get in YouTube channel. Vinaka, who like like you want me to explain me or sir? Like you have to do this course, beginner introduction to generative AI learning part. Yes, yes, you have to start the path and you have to do the labs. Hema, I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. I don't know about this Vishnu. Light रख पे. Okay, guys, you can leave the session if you don't have the doubts. Okay, guys, thank you.